Have you ever looked at your investment statement and just felt confused? Like, you're paying someone to manage your money, but you're not really sure what you're paying for, or maybe why things aren't growing as fast as you thought they would. Well, today we're going to pull back that curtain. We are going to show you how to build a simple, really powerful system that puts you back in the driver's seat. All right, let's get into it.
Let's start with a question, and it might sting a little. Are the people you're paying to grow your money actually any good at it? The kind of shocking truth for most Canadians is that the answer is a flat-out no.
And look, the numbers don't lie. Year in and year out, the overwhelming majority of these expert fund managers, the ones who are paid big bucks to find the next hot stock, they don't even manage to beat the market average. And the worst part? You're paying them extra for the privilege of them doing worse. It's like buying a first-class ticket and ending up with a seat in the baggage compartment.
So, how do we get here? Well, for a lot of us, the journey starts at the most obvious place, our bank. It feels safe, it's easy, it's familiar, but as we're about to find out, that convenience comes with a really steep and often totally invisible price tag. You've probably seen a number like this tucked away somewhere in your statements. 2%. It sounds so small, doesn't it? Kind of like a little tip. But that little number, it's the financial version of a tiny, slow leak in a giant dam. You barely even notice it at first, but trust me, over time, it can cause a total catastrophe. And that's because this fee is the silent killer of your savings. It's just this constant, relentless drag on your money, quietly eating away at your growth, year after year, whether the market is up or down. Honestly, it is the single biggest reason your money isn't growing nearly as fast as it should be.
And here is where you can really see how that tiny leak becomes a devastating flood. Just look at the difference 30 years makes. That huge gap between the blue bar and the orange bar, that's not just a number on a chart. That's your money. That could be a down payment on a house, a retirement you can actually enjoy, or just the freedom to not worry. All of it, just gone, eaten up by fees. This is the dark side of compounding, working against you instead of for you.
Okay, so if these high fees are so bad, why on earth do we pay them? Well, it's because of a very, very tempting promise. The promise that some expert out there can beat the market for you. But here's the dirty little secret of the investing world. That's a promise that almost nobody can actually keep.
People usually try to outsmart the market in one of two ways, and both of them are basically a dead end. First, you've got the expert stock picker. This person thinks they're a fortune teller, trying to guess which companies are going to strike it rich. Problem is, one bad headline can turn that gold mine into a pile of dust overnight. Then you have the trend chaser, who just jumps on whatever's popular at the moment, but usually gets crushed when that bubble inevitably pops.
And this right here is the biggest mindset shift you need to make. Stop trying to predict the future. It's impossible. What you need is a system. A system is what protects you from the hype. It's your anchor when everyone else is panicking. It is the one thing that separates smart investors from gamblers.
So if trying to predict things is a losing game, what's the alternative? Well, the solution is actually surprisingly simple, and it is unbelievably powerful. It's all about changing your goal. Stop trying to beat the market, and instead, just own the market.
This whole strategy is called index investing, and the idea is just beautiful. Why would you waste all your time and energy trying to find that one magic needle in a giant haystack when you can just buy the entire haystack? With one single easy purchase, you can own a tiny piece of hundreds or even thousands of the world's best companies. You get to capture the growth of the whole economy.
The best part about this whole thing is just how simple it is. Because you're not paying some high-priced manager to guess at stocks, your costs are way, way lower. You're instantly spread out across the whole world, so you're not betting everything on one company or one country. It's pretty much automatic, which means there's just less room for you or anyone else to mess things up.
All right, so now you have the right what to invest in, but there's another crucial part of the puzzle. Here in Canada, we have a secret weapon that can seriously turbocharge your growth, our tax system. And learning how to use it right, that is an absolute game changer.
So, let me introduce you to the two superstars of Canadian investing, the TFSA and the RRSP. Think of the TFSA like a magic wallet. Any money your investments make inside of it, every single dollar of growth, is yours to keep 100% tax-free, forever. The RRSP is your retirement powerhouse. You get a tax break today for putting money away, and then that money gets to grow completely sheltered from tax until you retire. And this right here is what so many people miss. It's not just about what you invest in, it's about where you invest it. Putting the right investments in the right accounts is like pouring rocket fuel on your savings. It is such a simple step, but the payoff down the road is absolutely massive.
Okay, so you've got the perfect low-cost fund. It's sitting in the perfect tax-sheltered account. You're set, right? Unstoppable? Well, not quite. There's one last enemy you have to defeat, and that enemy is staring right back at you in the mirror.
These are the 4 horsemen of destroying your own wealth. Overconfidence is that voice that tells you you're a genius right before a huge crash. Fear is what makes you hit the panic button and sell at the absolute worst possible time, locking in all your losses. We've already talked about why chasing trends is a bad idea. And then there's home country bias. That's the cozy but really costly mistake of putting all your eggs in the Canadian basket and completely missing out on all the amazing growth happening in the rest of the world.
And that brings us to maybe the most important lesson of all. Seriously, forget about looking for brilliant ideas or hot stock tips. Real, long-lasting wealth is built on something that sounds way less exciting, but is infinitely more powerful. Just boring, solid habits.
So, you're ready to put this all together? Let's build your bulletproof 4-step investing system. It's simple, it's effective, and most importantly, it's designed to work for you, not against you.
Okay, step 1. You got to build the right foundation. That means filling up those super powerful accounts like your TFSA and RRSP first. Step 2, choose your engine. Pick one simple, low-cost fund that basically owns the entire world. Step 3, put it all on autopilot. Set up automatic contributions from your paycheck, it doesn't matter how small, and just pay yourself first. And the last, and maybe the hardest step of all, leave it alone. Check on it once a year if you must, but resist that urge to constantly tinker and check it. Your job is to let the system do its work.
Look, this is about more than just numbers and charts. This is about taking back control of your financial future. It's about building a system that benefits you, not your bank. So I'm going to leave you with one final question to think about. Is your money working as hard for you as you work for it?